Now I've been using the Pro Event Table 1 for probably about 6 or 7 months, but on New Year's Eve I took the Pro Event Table 2 out for the very first time. Here it is, all packed up. Now there are some advantages to the 2 that you don't get with the 1. For instance, the load-in is a breeze. The table comes into 2 pieces, so instead of hauling around this big 4x4 table in the back of your vehicle or carrying it in separate from the rest of your load, you can pack this onto something like the Rock and Roller R14G cart like I have and wheel it in through those 38-inch doors no problem. Now it does set up very fast, and I did a Velcro mod on the sign which helps with the setup process. You do have to remove the sign every time on the 2 because of it splitting in half, but with this Velcro mod it goes on super quick. And I figured out a clever way to carry it as well. Seeing how the table is cloth, I just attach the sign to the table and carry those 2 in together. So I'm going to give credit to DJ Mike Sanchez for this one. He was showing us how he does cable management on trussing with bungee balls. That gave me the idea of doing cable management on the Pro Event table with bungee balls as well. So I bought like 50 of the things. I came up with the idea of using these bungee balls to attach the table support brackets to the side of the table sections. It's super easy, and that way you don't have to carry in those support brackets separate. It all comes in just with your table sides. So there are a lot of advantages to the Pro Event Table 2 in that regard. It's not a big deal to set up, especially with that Velcro mod I did with the sign. If you have any questions, comments, anything else, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, practice, and enjoy.